Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you some of the new products that I've been trying for my skin, for my facial skin. I'm talking about two new products that I've been using from this brand known as SkinQ. One, I have the Beauty Box, which is a detan facial kit for use at home. This is a facial kit with actives for Indian skin. And the other product that I'm using is the Detan Elixir from the same brand known as SkinQ. I'm going to take you through both of the products one by one, and we'll see how to use them and the results on my skin. I'm also going to include a demo with the facial kit. So if you're interested, keep watching. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now let's get started. First thing that I'm going to talk about is the SkinQ Beauty Box. This is an active facial at home beauty kit, a facial kit, and it has actives which are meant for Indian skin tone, and the variant is the one for dull or tanned skin or pigmented skin. So if you have tanned skin like mine, I have tanning on my face, this is the kit that you should be opting for. It retails for 750 rupees. For a kit like this, it has 5 products inside. I'm going to take you through each of them one by one. The Beauty Box is available in 3 variants. One is for oily, acne-prone skin. The other one is for hydrating and for restoring your skin. And the one that I picked up, the third one, is for detan or pigmented skin. So inside you have the leaflet, which has all the information about the products, how to use them, what are the active ingredients, and what they do. Each of the steps is also mentioned, and how to massage, where to massage, in what kind of circular motions, longish motions, etc. And you have all of the 5 products in sachet forms. So step 1 is micellar water. This helps remove any traces of makeup or any traces of previous skincare on your skin. Step number 2 is exfoliator. As we all know, exfoliator means the scrub, but this one is an active chemical based exfoliator. You will not feel those regular scrubbing particles in this one. You have to apply this on your skin, leave it for some time for the active ingredients to do their job. Third step is the massage butter, and we all know how important a good massage is for circulation on the skin. Next is the pre-mask serum. This again has active ingredients, and you leave it onto your face, and then you apply the last step, which is the sheet mask. This is in powder form. You mix it with water in a bowl and you apply it to your skin, and then you lift off the whole thing as a sheet. So these facial kits, they have a lot of active chemical ingredients which work on your skin more effectively than products which just work on the surface, that you can use at home for peeling on the skin or to remove properly the dead skin, the dead layer on your skin. Now let's quickly take a look at how you should use the product. While using some of these products, you will need to have a small bowl in front of you, because you need to take out the product in a bowl and apply it with your hands, so do take care of that. First step is cleansing, or the micellar water. So you take this on a cotton pad directly, you can do that, and then you wipe your face with the micellar water in upward strokes. You remove all of the makeup that you're wearing or any remaining skincare ingredients from previous time, and then you move on to the next step, which is the most important in my opinion, exfoliation or the peel. So you take a small bowl, put the ingredients of the sachet into the bowl, and then you use your fingertips to apply the lotion to your face and neck in circular motions, and you leave it there for about 7 to 10 minutes. This might make you feel a mild tingling sensation or mild warmth on your face, which means that the chemical exfoliants in the product are working on your skin. There's nothing that you need to be too worried about. If you are feeling discomfort at this step, I would say that you should stop, wash your face, and let your skin be. Now if you have blackheads or pimples on your skin, if you have active acne, then you have to apply a second layer on those spots only. So you do spot treatment. You can use Q-tip to do that, and then you leave it for another 5 minutes. So if you have acne, you have to put on the exfoliating mask, the exfoliating gel, for about 12 minutes, 7 plus 5. And then you wash the face with cold water and dab it dry. The next step is for stimulation, or using the massage butter. So again, you take the product onto your hand or in a small bowl and apply it to your face and neck evenly, and you massage it with your fingers in upward strokes, circular strokes. Clean your face. Then you apply the next product, which is the pre-mask serum. The next step, also the timings are mentioned on all of the sachets. So this one, step number 4, the pre-mask serum has to be left on for about 5 minutes. So you apply this again to your face and neck and massage it into the skin in upward circular motions. Massage it for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then you leave it onto your skin for absorption. And now you don't have to wash your face before you apply the next step. Last step here is the sheet mask. Now this is in a powder form. You mix it with a little bit of water in a small bowl. Then you apply it onto your face, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then slowly you just roll off the edges from the bottom, and then the whole mask will come off as a peel. And then you wipe your face with a damp cotton pad. And then step number 6, which again is very important after any facial, is to apply a detan elixir, or a moisturizer after you have done your facial. And the one that I'm using again is the SkinQ Detan Elixir. This is again for tanned, pigmented Indian skin. It helps reduce your tan, helps reduce pigmentation, and helps brighten your skin. It has licorice, kojic acid, lactic acid, and malic acid. Now this again, you can leave it overnight, and you have to take about 4 to 6 pumps and leave it onto your face and neck. And you can leave it overnight, just go about your day with it if you're using it during the day. But something very important, comes in a pump packaging like this, gel, a runny gel kind of a texture. It gets absorbed into your skin really easily, really quickly, and does not leave a sticky feeling or any chip behind. That's the most important part when you're using something like this. Now the Detan kit it has specifically been formulated for Indian skin or skin of color, and it has a lot of naturally derived active ingredients, like I've already mentioned, which help your skin not just on the surface but also within the deeper layers of your skin. It is the first of its kind at-home facial kit specifically made for Indian skin, and something with active ingredients which really help your skin and not just work on the surface. The 5 steps of the facial kit take you about 40 to 45 minutes, and you get glowing skin instantly. It is a kind of a monthly maintenance that you should be doing for your skin. Do it every month and you will see good results, I'm sure. If you have a wedding or a function to attend, you could do it about a day or 2 before the event, and otherwise it is recommended that you do this every month. The Detan and Skin Brightening Elixir again is for tan skin and for pigmented skin. Over time it helps you achieve bright skin. I'm not talking about fair skin, we are just talking about clear bright skin, not talking about anything related to fairness over here. So keep that in mind. It works on your tan and it helps you achieve even complexion over time. The active ingredients in the elixir also help maintain the effects of the facial that you've done, and also it adds to the effects of the facial, and over time you get clear, even looking skin. That is all about these 2 very interesting new products that I've discovered. I'm really happy with the results, and I think you should also give them a try. They're really effective and very easy to use. We don't have too many at-home facial kits with active ingredients in the Indian market, and I think you should definitely give it a try. It is available in a few variants like I've already mentioned. You should definitely give them a try. I'm going to leave the links in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.